Nag-invest ka ng 50k sa ads. Dumating yung traffic. Pero bakit dalawa lang yung sales mo? You're getting clicks, oo. May nag-i-inquire, pero nawala sila. So, ano yung ginawa mo? You doubled the budget, you posted more, and you pushed harder. Same results, pero still cap. And ngayon, iniisip mo, bakit kulang pa yung traffic? Wrong. The thing is, traffic isn't your problem. It's what happens after they click. They land on your page. Then pagkatapos nun, wala na. Walang follow-up, walang nurture. One inquiry, tapos mag-ghost na. For the reason that walang system that keeps them warm. And the thing is, leak na yun. And it's costing you every single day. Tingnan mo yung funnel mo. May dumating na 100 na katao. Pero saan sila nawala? Stage 1, no clear offer, they bounce. Stage 2, no follow-up, they forget. And stage 3, no nurture sequence, they buy from someone else. Yan yung leaks. And you're pouring money into a broken bucket. You can 10x, 100x sa ad spend mo. Pero if yung backend mo is broken, most likely magiging same lang yung sales mo, same pa din yung pagiging cut mo, same frustration. So, ito yung fix mo muna. Hindi yung traffic mo, hindi yung offer mo, yung backend mo. Make sure that you have automated follow-ups, you have a nurture sequences, and you have a clear path para sa target mo from being a stranger to buyer. And that's what we call customer journey. Seal the leaks first. Okay? Para kapag when you scale your traffic and when you increase your budget for ad spend, it actually converts. Kasi the problem was never ads. Nagiging ka ng traffic eh. Yung problema mo lang is what happens after they click. So in short and simple language, fix mo yung backend mo and then watch everything fall into place. Comment systems if you're ready to fix your leaks.